Creating a project schedule is an essential part of project management, and P6 Primavera offers a wide range of tools and features to help you create and manage your project schedule. In this presentation, we'll take a look at the steps you need to take to create a project schedule with P6 Primavera. The first step in creating a project schedule is to understand the project scope and objectives. This includes defining the project goals, identifying the deliverables, and understanding the project timeline. Once you have a clear understanding of the project scope and objectives, you can start creating a work breakdown structure, WBS. A work breakdown structure, WBS, is a hierarchical decomposition of the project scope, and it provides a framework for organizing the project activities. To create a WBS in P6 Primavera, you can use the WBS view or the activity view. Once you have created the WBS, you can start adding activities to the project. The next step is to add activities to the project and organize them into the WBS. Activities are the individual tasks that need to be completed to achieve the project deliverables. To add activities in P6 Primavera, you can use the activity view. You can add activity details such as activity name, description, duration, and more. A network diagram is a visual representation of the project activities and the relationships between them. In P6 Primavera, you can create a network diagram using the Activity Network view. This view shows the activities in the WBS and the relationships between them. You can use the network diagram to identify the critical path and any areas where the project may be at risk. Once you have created the project schedule, you need to assign resources to the activities. Resources can include people, equipment, and materials. In P6 Primavera, you can assign resources using the Resource Assignments view. This allows you to see the resource allocation across the project and identify any areas where resources may be overallocated or underallocated. Milestones and deadlines are key project events that need to be achieved at specific times. In P6 Primavera, you can define milestones and deadlines using the Milestone view. This allows you to track the progress of the project against the key project events and ensure that the project is on track. Constraints and deadlines are constraints on the project schedule that need to be taken into account when creating the project schedule. In P6 Primavera, you can apply constraints and deadlines to activities using the activity view. This allows you to ensure that the project schedule is realistic and achievable. Critical path analysis and float calculations are essential tools for managing the project schedule. In P6 Primavera, you can use the schedule